The Waurn Ponds Campus of Deakin University is the larger of its two campuses in the city of Geelong, a coastal city with almost 300,000 residents. The semi-rural site is on the southwestern edge of Geelong, about 10 kilometres from the city centre. Around 6,000 students go here out of the more than 35,000 students attending Deakin campuses in Victoria. The main campus is about 90 kilometres away in the Melbourne suburb of Burwood. The campus is an expansive mix of open spaces, faculty buildings, sports facilities, and student accommodation. A good range of courses are delivered here, including many that need specialist labs and workshops for hands-on learning. Engineering students work in large project spaces created for design, manufacturing, and testing. These areas mirror the conditions they'll face in industry. Medical and health students study at the Deakin Medical School, where teaching and simulation areas connect with hospitals and clinics across the region. Sport and exercise science students use the elite Sports Precinct, where ovals, tracks, and training spaces are used for instruction, research, and athletic competition. Living at Waurn Ponds is easy thanks to open spaces and good transport links. Many students stay in uni residences or rent nearby in Waurn Ponds, Grovedale, or Highton. Others live in central Geelong or by the coast at Torquay, travelling in by car, bus, or train. The nearby Waurn Ponds station connects to both Geelong and Melbourne. Driving is also a popular option, with plenty of parking available on campus. Parking is free if you use the right car parks. The same cannot be said for the other campus in the city, the Geelong Waterfront Campus. It's located right on the bay near the city centre and has about 4,000 students, bringing the total in Geelong to more than 10,000. Students at Waurn Ponds should be aware of the Waterfront Campus, as some classes and occasional social events are held there. A free shuttle bus connects the two campuses every 30 minutes, taking around 20 minutes each way. Many students living at Waurn Ponds use the bus to travel into the city for classes, while others head the opposite way for sport, club activities, or larger study facilities. For students wanting space, convenience, and on-site accommodation, Waurn Ponds is one of the best campuses in Victoria.